Okay guys, today's video we're going to be looking at the new update of the Walgreens app. I've noticed on my iPad it's already done, but on my phone it's the old one, and I think if you have Android it's already switched over to the new one. And to be really honest with you guys, slight changes but nothing too major. Like, I don't know why people are getting so excited by this, but just give yourself a bit of time to figure it out, like anything in life, and you'll probably learn it really quickly. So again, a closer look at the three subcategories. We have weekly ad, coupons, and your balance rewards. You'll obviously have to sign in. I'm not signed in for this video. So clipping on the weekly ad. So you just would touch it. You know, everything is touch sensitive on your mobile device. And this is the weekly ad for this week, which is the week of the 13th. So as you can see, there it all is, and you have the option to really zoom in with your iPad, phone, whatever device you're using. So if you want to just really look at the fine print, obviously something like this where it's a whole list of exclusions and all the magic, you know, you can really like pinch it, especially if you don't see very well. I'm in that category too. Sometimes to read the fine print you really have to give it a close look, but just pretty easy to navigate. And I'm doing this from an iPad, guys, so as you can see, it's pretty easy to see, you know, all the information in an ad. So the bottom here, you have home, prescription, find care, shop and save, and photos. So shop and save is where there's the subcategories for the coupons. So you know how I'm always like, go to the household folder. See, top right hand corner, that's where it is. So that's where you will find those coupons in those specific categories. Going over to photo, if you ever have like some code or something like free photos, whatever, this is where you will find it to upload your photos and do all of that magic. So pretty easy peasy, straightforward stuff. And looking at these different subcategories now, we're going to look on how to load digital coupons, the subfolder, and we're going to specifically go into the coupons folder. So there it is. I already touched it. It's going to take a hot second here for this to load because I'm doing this actually in slow motion because it goes so quickly. And here are all the coupons I possibly could load. They're all there. And yeah, so I'm going to give you a quick demonstration. I'm going to load one of these coupons to show you how easy it is. So we're going to load this Tums, for example, and there it is. As you see now, I have 87 coupons. So $300 of savings. Down there, weekly ad coupons redeemed and the regular coupons that I already have loaded on my store card. So we're going to look at redeemed. This is the stuff I was buying earlier in the week. So all of the coupons are there. So if customer service needs to help me, they can see what's working. And these are the new coupons that I loaded today, including a lot of 5-offs. Those all showed up today in the household folder, but there are all the coupons that I have for the week. So yeah. Very easy to organize and know where all of your coupons are, and it's down there in that saved offers subfolder. Okay guys, and just to show you again, when we're in the coupons folder, if you look at the top, it has all the different subcategories, and specifically we're always looking for coupons in that one household folder. So you could just go onto there because the other household folders will also show you like stuff that's on sale this week. It's kind of a little bit more of a hodgepodge of like, hey, try this, try that. But if you're specifically like coupons only, just do it through the coupons folder and look for this subcategory at the very top. Clear as mud, right? Okay guys, final thing that I'm going to show you again, these are the three subcategories that you're probably going to play with the most, especially if you're an extreme couponer. Now if you go into balanced rewards, that's where you sign in, put all of your card information and all that stuff, and the tracking for your beauty enthusiast is there. I'm not logged in for this, so I can't show you my specific information because I'm not going to do that today, but it's all there. Your balance rewards for healthy choice. So if you have a Fitbit attached to your Walgreens account, that's how you'll track. So pretty easy to navigate. Maybe you can let me know what you guys think of the new changes to the app. And before I take off, guys, these digital coupons showed up this afternoon, so they're valid from the 19th to the 25th, and they are purchase-based basket coupons, and they're going to be instrumental next week because there's some hot deals happening, so this will be extra big savings. So I would recommend to load them all. I found them in the households folder of my Walgreens account. Always a year mileage may vary. Not everybody gets these, so go and load them right away. And if you missed it, I'm hosting a little giveaway giveaway till tomorrow, which is the 17th. Please check out this video linked at the very end. I'm giving away 2 sets of inserts and 1 mystery Walgreens gift card. How appropriate is that? So I will be picking the winners, or my husband will be picking the winners on Friday the 17th. Good luck, guys. That video will be linked at the very end. Bye, guys.